Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can add image borders to images and photos you insert into your apps you create on Adalo in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to the app builder on Adalo, select the app project here from the top, navigate to the given or zoom into the card or screen where you inserted the image. I will go with this example logo here. Left click into it to access its image settings, and what you want to do from here, guys, is navigate to the setup tab, scroll all the way down and expand the edit styles section here, and at the bottom of it you will see these options, like for example border, and you may for instance enable the border by using that switch here to the right. It's almost invisible for me, it's barely visible, so I had to get closer to my display here to see that switch. So enable it, and after that you may customize the style of the border, the appearance, like select the border color. You may use a hex color code here, or I don't know, use that slider here to find your preferred color. Click into it. Next you may resize the image border and you will see the preview here to the right. So if we go with, I don't know, a border size of, I can also enter the value here without using these up and down arrows. So let me go with a pretty thick border of 50 and it would look like this. And you may also customize the border style, or here like the line, a dashed line, a dotted line, a solid line. That's how it works, guys. And if you move the image, the border will be moved with it as well, obviously. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.